Hello, I'm going to show you how to fix lag and maximize FPS in Bodycam using Unreal Engine 5 optimization settings. If this video helps you, please like it, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so let's improve your performance. First, open Bodycam and go into the graphics settings. Start by lowering the resolution scale slightly if you are struggling with FPS. Then disable expensive settings like motion blur, film grain, and depth of field. Alright, now change your upscaling method. If you have an RTX graphics card, enable DLSS. For AMD cards, use FSR. These options can give you a huge FPS boost while keeping the game looking good. Next, lower settings like shadows, effects, and post-processing, because these are some of the most demanding Unreal Engine 5 features. If you still have stutters, make sure your GPU drivers are updated, close background applications, and install the game on an SSD to reduce loading issues. Finally, enable game mode in Windows and set Bodycam to high performance in your graphics settings.
And that's how you fix lag and maximize FPS in Bodycam using UE5 optimization.